Ladies and gentlemen of the media, we came this morning in the matter of Republic versus Nuru Okanga. As you are all aware, his persecution by the prosecution and the government is still ongoing. And today, the prosecution had been asked to bring their last witness or all the remaining witnesses so that the matter, insofar as the prosecution is concerned, should be brought to rest and the court will retreat to determine whether Nuru Okanga has a case to answer or not. Unfortunately, we have been informed that their witness is in China and will not make it to court. We say it is unfortunate because, as you can see, Nuru had marshaled a battery of lawyers. We are about 26 lawyers who had come for this particular matter today, and we traveled from far away. We put aside our very many crucial engagements. You can't say that Mheshimiwa Babu Owino here, who was also to be out of this country for official engagement, sacrificed and was in court today, and very many of us. This is unprecedented indolence, high degree of laziness. It is undesirable that a prosecution would fail to produce an expert witness even after having been given a notice for more than a month ago. We therefore have been allowed to come back tomorrow at 12 noon to hear and cross-examine the last prosecution witness. We shall be here because we know that the state is playing tactics with this case. They do not want to avail their witnesses for the simple reason that they do not want this matter to come to an end. They want to hold Nuru Okanga into slavery. They want to blackmail him using this matter because they know they have absolutely no case. In criminal law, if you have a good case, you avail your witnesses so that you can convict an individual. When you see a prosecution postponing cases on flimsy excuses as a witness being in China, it simply shows how weak their case is. It simply shows how unprepared they are. But we will be here tomorrow to the witness. We want to wish you well on your way back from China to Kenya. We are 27 of us ready to engage you in a thorough cross-examination to determine what is this that you want from Nuru Okanga. My co-counsel.
You've said it all, counsel. Thank you very much, members of the press. I'm Babu Owino. Nuru Okanga is counsel, together with other advocates who are here. Today, to our surprise, the prosecution has decided to not to avail a witness, a key witness, that is an expert witness in Nuru Okanga's matter. And this has gone against the rights of an accused person, the rights of our client, Nuru Okanga, as per Article 50, Sub-Article 1, right to a fair hearing. This is justice. This is justice delayed is justice denied. So our client is really suffering. He's traveled all the way from Mumias to Nairobi at his own cost, only to come and find that the prosecution is not ready to prosecute his matter. And these are the signs, the easy signs that showing us that the state has already lost this case. We further want the prosecution to avail a main witness who is the complainant in this matter, who is President Ruto. We want to cross-examine him. We want him to come to court because you can't do a matter, a case, without a complainant. Who is complaining? The DCI cannot complain, and the prosecutors cannot complain. We want a complainant in court. And that is the next application we'll be making. So let me give an opportunity to a fellow advocate, Counsel Connex. Just say what?
Good morning. My name is Connex Mwaro, and today we are really disappointed. We all made time to be here with our client, and only to be told when you're already in court that the prosecution will not produce the witness. This is actually to show us that the state is not ready for the case to continue, and it's actually an effort to curtail our client, to curtail his progress in the political fight against this the infringement of rights of Kenyans. And we will not relent. We'll be back here tomorrow, and hopefully, without delay, we will have our witness and we'll be able to proceed with the matter. They wanted to push the matter to next year, But we will not allow that to happen. We need to move on. Our client needs to move. And as you can see, that means the state is really not ready, or even the case is not even a tangible case. So let's meet tomorrow, and hopefully we'll be able to clarify all this and clear our client. Thank you.
Yes, I was previously not in this matter, but when I was informed by Counsel Babu, I had a look at the charge sheet, and the charge sheet relates to the Computer Misuse and Cybercrimes Act. As all Kenyans know, this act was amended on 15th October 2025, the day that we lost Right Honorable Baba Raila Amolo Odinga. So this is one of the instances where Kenyans have been complaining that the very act can be used and misused by the state. So having had a glance of that charge sheet, I say that I'll make myself available for the defense of Nuru Okanga. For what he only did is to exercise his right of freedom of expression. That is a right that has been guaranteed in the Constitution, and that right cannot be curtailed. So we will be back tomorrow for the hearing and determination of this matter. And we know that Nuru Okanga, we will be gifting him with the Christmas gift, which is an acquittal in this case. Thank you.
Any other counsel who wants to say?